Your turn, Sue.
Alrighty. Yay! Bullseye again!
Sue, I'm sorry, but it's kinda too childish.
Fine. Would you like to play darts?
Ha! We've already had our fun yesterday.
You're the one who wanted to shoot down the toys.
Okay, Sue, I got it. We can't make anything better than a Mentos blaster. Let's at least keep throwing balls.
So, you're saying that was the pinnacle of my blaster crafts? Fine. We'll have a more powerful cardboard blaster by tonight. We won't throw the balls, we'll shoot them.
Works every time.
Hi guys! Today we're gonna make a cool cardboard blaster. It'll shoot table tennis balls.
Shoot? Really? Sounds promising.
I don't throw words around or shoot them. We'll start with a square piece of cardboard. I made these vertical lines with the cutter to make it flexible.
Ha! I recognize this trick.
Yes, I decided not to bother you this time. By the way, guys, remember to be careful when working with hot glue. And I have a difficult task for you.
Scouting for a target on the land?
No, Sammy. Make 5 more pieces like this.
Aye, aye, Captain. Stand from under.
I'm gonna make a mechanism for the blaster. We need a small piece of cardboard for the base. Since the base must be sturdy, we're gluing another piece of cardboard to it to make it thicker.
Susie, I did it! We need to let them dry now. Oh, and it's better not to bring it to your eye. You might glue your eyelashes together.
Good job! And I'm making the base for the mechanism. We'll keep gluing the pieces, one by one.
Sue, after looking at all these tiny pieces, I'm beginning to doubt the relevance of the word shoot. Oh, that's a drinking straw. Are we gonna blow it into the balls to make them fly out of the blaster?
Huh, keep laughing. Meanwhile, the mechanism is almost ready.
I help you.
Of course. We need to cut the edge of this wooden stick at an angle.
It's time for a master to get to work.
And I'll continue with the mechanism. We'll take another flat wooden piece, glue a long stick to it, and insert it into the tube that we made out of a simple straw that Sam was sneering at there.
I guess I shouldn't have laughed. Here's the piece.
You're just in time. Let's glue it to our construction. It will boost the ejection mechanism.
Whoa, I just made a booster! Well, I'm a physicist.
Now let's attach this rubber band.
Oh, I'm sure it'll boost both the ball and my faith in the blaster's power.
Yeah, Sammy, all things considered, you shouldn't have doubted.
It's starting to look like a powerful crossbow!
Here comes the finishing touch. We'll add this cardboard piece at the tip of the system. It's gonna push the balls out.
I gotta admit, this thing looks like something that can shoot well.
Well, let's test its power shot. Pull. And fire!
Wow, this ball is quicker than a laser ball.
Now let's apply some glue. And fix it inside this cardboard tube.
Right, we should hide our secret balls blaster really well.
The first base piece is ready. We deserve some magic, don't we?
Oh, I can already feel all that power lying on our table.
Now I'm gonna glue them together. Can you make the next cardboard pieces we need?
Let's go on. I told you this blaster would shoot balls and you didn't believe me.
So guys, I glued everything. This part of the blaster will push several balls out at once.
So done.
Good job, Sammy. Let's move on to making the motor and the barrel of the blaster. While Sam's away, let's fast forward a little.
Hey, wait! I'm making pieces here one by one and you're fast forwarding?
Sorry, Sammy. I just wanted to finish the barrel faster. Next time we'll use magic when you're around. I promise.
Fine, here's another piece. No magic used. Although, can you consider my skill in speed magical? Who knows, who knows?
Well, my magical Sam, let's finish the front part of our blaster. I made this cardboard flexible with a cutter, too.
Talking about blasters, another consistent element of sci-fi are spaceships making interstellar travels. Also, there's starships which can even teleport. Isn't that cool?
Ooh, Sammy, you dig deep. Check out the sci-fi element we're making here. I also glued these two cardboard pieces together. Now we need to glue this to this.
Wow, is this from the sci-fi world too?
It's the battery that will power the motor. Our blaster will shoot the balls with its help. There we go. The motor will be controlled by the button that will also serve as a trigger. Carefully glue it right here. Guys, you can work with wires only under adult supervision.
Yeah, I'd better watch you from afar.
Sammy, I didn't expect you'd know so much about sci-fi.
You bet! Sci-fi is awesome! They often foretell future inventions in this genre. For example, Jules Verne foresaw submarines. Anyway, it's very interesting. Take Jules Verne books at least, or Back to the Future!
Great, Sam. That's a good hobby. Now check out how our electric motor works.
So it's amazing. Jules Verne would be proud of you. I'm gonna go glue this piece to connect two parts.
Go ahead. I'll finish gluing this in the meantime. Well, guys, it's time to put all the parts together. I glued this cardboard circle and this small but very important wooden piece.
And I glued a spinning piece between the tubes.
Let's connect two big blaster parts together. It works! Now we can cover our mechanism.
So we made sure it works. Now I can glue these two pieces. There's glue everywhere today.
In the meantime, I'll take care of things here. So we need a cardboard tube. And that's how we make it. As I already said, this is why we need it. Parts of our blaster will connect and disconnect with the help of these cardboard tubes.
Sue, I've glued everything. Here, everything's in place.
Perfect as always, Sammy.
By the way, Sue, what else can we shoot out of the blaster? We had Mentos already. What about eggs? Or meatballs? Like a cartoon.
Sammy, after several egg shots, we'll have to clean up for hours. While cooking meatballs takes hours before shooting. Plus, it's food. We shouldn't waste it. Please remember that. Done. Everything fits perfectly.
Susie, what about this? Did I cut it for nothing?
Of course not. Remember I promised no more magic without you? Well, I kept my word. And up there.
Sue, it's so cool, but what is that?
It's the last part of our blaster. We'll glue it here. It'll serve as a stock. There, it works.
I thought the blaster works when it shoots.
To make it shoot, we need to load it with these balls.
Wait, you didn't forget who I am, did ya? I'm a master decorator!
All right, let's finally load it. We'll place a ball and push it inside. There.
Well, Susan, child's play is over. May the best one win.
Sounds impressive, Sammy, but last time you never hit the target.
I was training, you know. Try it yourself.
Well, all right, I will. It is good. Are the targets set?
They were here all the time. I missed, remember?
Let's reload.
Three, two, one, fire! Huh, not bad too, but it's not over yet.
Ah, so easy peasy. Yay, I hit all the targets! Guys, it's very cool. You definitely should make this blaster at home.
Yeah, and also subscribe to our channel and try to hit the bell button.
At the first attempt, Sammy.
Even at the second one, that's okay. There's always a gentleman's head start after all. I'll give you no mercy!
Oh, guys, I need to make sure everything remains undamaged after Sam's shooting. See you!